Hey, Hudson Knight here. Look at my dirty oven, especially the dirty oven window. I'm going to clean this, and I got the idea from Andrea Jean Cleaning to use a dishwasher tab, so thanks to her channel for this idea. I wanted to see how it worked for me. Here's the tab. It's a Quantum Infinity Shine tab, and look for the link in the description. Here's a picture of the bottle, and I've got a link in the description if you want to check it out on Amazon. So here's the tab. It comes in this plastic wrap. I'm going to cut this off because we need the cleaning agent on it, and I'm also going to get rid of this little gel tab there. And so I'm just going to use a regular cloth. You can use a microfiber cloth on here, and you need some water. You need to get this wet. I did dunk it here, but you don't have to dunk it. You could just add a little bit of water to the surface, and as you can see, it's already starting to take off this nasty pesky grease. I'll speed up this video so that you don't have to sit here and watch this. It took me about 15 minutes, and I went through about 4 tabs on this, and they do break apart pretty easily, so please note that. And as I did this, the technique that seemed to work best was to apply a little bit of water, and you can see how dirty my rag is there. It is to apply a little bit of water and then run the tab over it, and it does get off really baked on grease. As you can see, that my window is coming clean really well, and you can also see the kind of the tabs pieces that are kind of breaking up. And so I did need to clean that up afterward, which did take a few minutes, but it wasn't too bad. So you can see the dirt on the tab, the grease on the tab rather, and so now I'm just trying to clean up around the edges on the just on the black area around the window there. So it did clean that pretty well. Didn't get everything, and now I'm just wiping it all down and trying to pick up all the pieces and giving the window a good cleaning. And there were still some residual pieces, so what I did is I had to vacuum them because they were kind of caught between the window and that heat guard there. This video a like if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this one and on a variety of topics. And you can see that it came out great after I gave it a final clean and wipe down. Again, this Finish Shine dishwasher tabs are great, and so check them out in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.